Surveying and types of survey. Today we will discuss about surveying and its type. Surveying. Surveying is the art of determining the relative positions of distinctive features on the surface of the earth or beneath the surface of the earth by means of measurements of distances, directions, and elevations. Objective of surveying. The objective of surveying is the preparation of plans and maps of the areas. Surveying is the first step for the execution of any project. Primary division of surveying. In primary division, survey is divided into two types: plane surveying, geodetic surveying. In plane surveying, Earth's surface is assumed as a plane and curvature of Earth is ignored. Survey covering an area up to 260 square kilometer may be treated as plane survey. In geodetic survey, curvature of Earth is taken into account. Classification of survey. There are many criteria of classification of survey based on purpose, based on instruments used, based on nature of the field. Based on purpose of the survey. Engineering survey. The survey which is carried out to collect sufficient data for designing engineering works such as roads, reservoirs, sewage disposal, water supply, etc. are called engineering survey. Military or defense survey. The survey which are carried out for preparation of maps of the areas of military importance are called military survey. Mine survey. These surveys are carried out for exploration of mineral wealth beneath the surface of the ground, such as coal, copper, are called mine survey. Geological survey. They are carried out to identify the composition of earth crust. Archaeological survey. The survey which are carried out to prepare maps of ancient culture are called archaeological survey. Based on instruments. Chain surveying, this is carried out by chain or tape. Compass surveying, this is carried out by compass. Plane table surveying, this is carried out by plane table and their supporting instruments. Theodolite surveying, this is carried out by theodolite. Tachyometric surveying, this is carried out by tachyometer. Triangulation surveying, this is carried out by method of triangulation. Aerial surveying, this is carried out by helicopter or drone. Photogrammetric surveying, this is carried out by taking photographs from ground or air stations. Based on nature of field. Land survey. These survey deal with land bodies. It is further classified into three types: topographic survey, cadastral survey, city survey. Hydrographic survey. These survey deal with water bodies for purpose of navigation, construction of harbor works, prediction of tides, and determination of mean sea level. Astronomical survey. These are carried out by determining the absolute locations like latitudes and heavenly bodies like moon. Thank you. If you found the video helpful, please like and share.